Yeah. Uh, Good evening. Sorry, I am very busy. So, but today Sunday, I just say let me make sure that I do this video. I'm making sure I do this video. Yes. So our third video is how to register a candidate and do some other things. How many of you remember this? This is the software, the user, the software icon, the CAS, right? So click on it, and you don't need the internet access to open this. It's offline. It's an offline registration software. So then you can see here we have our username. How many of you remember the username we use? Username we used the last time. I think it's undone 2026. I think so. Even if you see it, you cannot use it on your own system. So uh, this is the app. So remember the first, our second lecture is how to register a school, which we did register this. Remember this is how to register a school. Then the second is that you need to come here to create student is where you create your students. This is the information you need. That the information you need. So here is that there are a lot of things you need in registering students here. One, you need an image resizer or anything you want to use in resizing, but definitely you need a resizer. Yes. So you can come here and write the person's surname. Let's assume we use John and we use Samuel, and you see this is a 2023. This is the entry year 2023. Why you see entry year 2023 instead of 2026 is that when they are in CAS year 1, they are expected to be in SS1. And during that time, eh, I think that year is 2023. So you can see. So what I mean is that the current SS3 now, when they were in SS1, I think is the year 2023. So that is why you are seeing it there. What we are trying to do now is to register them for Cassia 1. Cassia 1, that is the first thing you're going to do. So you can choose the here. This one is just for registering purpose, for the tutorial purpose. So you can see here, you can choose anyone here. So you can select the dates. You knows how to select dates for yourself. You can select dates. So this you can put the guardian's name, but I will put my number so that in case if you want to contact me for any job or if you have problem you can. So this is my email. I can use my company's email, London last tech computer at gmail.com. Then you see these courses here. Why you are seeing these three courses here? They are the three core courses. You cannot remove them. So you now add the remaining. I think is maximum of 9. But why you are seeing maximum of 20 years because they are in SS1 and some of the SS1 class they offer all the subjects. And it's even advisable for you to put all the subjects, both science and arts, because if you put only just science, probably the person might come at the end and tell you that he's offering computer and you did not put computer in his course. By then, it's too late, and it will now require for you to do corrections. And corrections, you have to pay WAEC. So it's advisable you put all the courses there in case. Please make sure you check all these things well because WAEC you pay for corrections. Now let's go for business. once you click business, either you double click or you use this arrow key here. Either let me give you the second one. I can use this to bring it in. I use this to bring it. I can take this using this arrow, can bring it back again, or double click. That is how to do this. So the next one is going to be humanities. We can double click, Islamic study, literature, Arabic, French, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba. So I think the next one is science. We use this. If they do further math, can do this digital technology. Are you getting it? So we see it's maximum of 20 already. So you can check. Then you need to upload this, but make sure that the size is between 275 by 314, and the kilobyte should not be more than 15 kilobytes. That is how you do this. All of you know how to resize already. So I think in my first lecture, I've already resized. I think this is the resize. You can see, look at it, it's 275 by 314 and 9 kilobytes. I think this one we do. Yes. So you see, I have entered this and click submit. You see, they said the picture you have selected is selected by another passport. What is this? Meaning that maybe I've done something like this before and I'll need to select another one. Okay. Mm, okay. Let me show you how to take this opportunity to show you how to resize another. Yes, another. Maybe probably I've registered another person. So I don't know. We'll know later. So, but let me use Sunday here in case if I've done that before. Okay. So now let me look for picture. If I will see any picture, I think let me turn this to picture. Okay. Many of you don't have pictures here. Don't have pictures here. I think. All right. Let us see a way we can get pictures. Now, let me just type this. Let me just type this. Let me just do something here. Just do something here. Just do something here. Now, let me just type my name, my name, my name, and I just want to get an image, nothing more. So I will use my sniping tool. Window 10, Window 11 have this software. Just snap it and save as. Save as. You can save as. You can save as. You get. Now I will go to. I just this for just tutorial case. Then you can see I saved this as DEA. This is the image. Let's be very sure. This is the image. Yes, this is the image. So I will resize it. Let me resize it using my own. This is the software I use, image resizer. So here you can see 275 by 314 pixel. You can see this is how to do it. Then you click process. I think this will process. This will process. Then let's check here if is what we. Okay, this will not do because they say from 7. If you notice, this one will not go. Look at it. It says from 7 kilobyte to 5. Okay, so let's go back to do this. Let's delete this one here, please. Okay, it will not because I've already uploaded it. And let's try again. I think the kilobyte is small. Now let's do something. Let me increase this DPI to 100. Let me increase this quality to 100. And let me increase this to 13, and let's go. Let's see if we can have something like this. Rename. Let me go and check if we still have 4 kilobytes. What is happening? Is it that this okay? Let's try again. We need we need think we need let's have more quality. Have more quality. Let's type 15 here. Let's have something like this. Increase the quality. Let me see. Uh, uh, let, yes. Let me. I've downloaded the. I think I've downloaded this image for in practice purpose. The reason why this one is that they don't have enough kilobytes. They are just 4 kilobytes. So even if I resize it, I'll still have something like that. So, but then this one has enough. This one I have 148, and this one I have 155. So let's start. Let me start with this. Let's resize this. Now let's resize this. Uh, let me resize this. Let me resize this. Okay, I'm done resizing this. Yes, you can see we've gotten it now. It's from 9. This one will enter. This one will peak. You can see it has peaked. Why did it peak? Is because it has meet this criteria, not the maximum of 15 kilobyte, not less than 7 days. So we can click on ignore this check if student is on transfer. This one, the this like well, I don't know. Some schools don't transfer their students, so it's not really important now. So you can submit. You see, this student has been submitted with class reference number. You're good. So if you want to register another student, you continue. So it's advisable you finish entering all the students in that school before you go to their class entries. Now the next stage is to enter their class. That is the next stage. The next stage is to enter their class. So entering their class, you have two methods. You have by subject basis and or candidate basis. So, but me, I prefer using candidate basis, but I will use the two of them for you to know how. Candidate basis, you go to CASIA 1, which is the CASIA 1 we are doing, and 2023. You can see. Oh, you see, this is the reason why they said we cannot use that first picture. It's because something like this has happened. So we can go here and do the same thing. You see what I did? I double click on here. You see here, it say total outstanding candidate is 1. What this means is that this person, you have not entered the candidate. That is why you're seeing outstanding. But this one we have entered. You see here, here is 18, here is 0. Total cards captured 18, but here is 0. You have not captured the outstanding cards 0 and 20. You still need to capture 20 courses. So once you click on it, you see those where you enter their grade. You see the way I enter their grade. This is just for practice. So you can see this, you can see it, you can see, and I think we are done. That is, these things are the Cassie one. You add their scores. You can see you add their scores. It's not necessary should be this. This is just for tutorial sake. You give them scores. So you can say candidate available scores successfully updated. So after that, you have successfully entered. You can see now you don't have any outstanding. You have to, you have captured this. So I think this is the end of our tutorial. The next time will come, we'll be showing you how to I'll be educating you on some other administrative environment you need to know. Yes, but now I've taught you how to enter student and enter the cashier one. With time, I will still teach you how to promote the cashier one to cashier two to cashier three, and I will show you everything. So pardon me before the next video is going to take some time. If you have any questions, you can drop it. If you have anything, you can drop it. I will answer it. Thank you very, very much.